Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to build stock scanner to find best stocks to day trade and how to form a trading plan watch list. Okay, so let's get started. Go to the finwiz.com, click the screener button, click the poll button. Next thing I want you to do is to do exactly what I say, and later I'm going to explain you why I'm doing it. Okay, performance got to be month plus 10% up. Price got to be under 30 bucks. 50 EMA got to be above SMA 200. Flow short has to be low. Average volume has to be over 500k. And that's it, what I'm interested in. Okay, month plus 10%. Why is it so? Well, month 10 plus 10% up tells us that this stock is uptrending in the last month, but it is not overbought, because if it was overbought, it would be like plus 100%. It is uptrending and we have potential to trade. The next thing is price under 30 bucks. Why is this low? Why is this so low? It's because this stock that where it's 30 bucks can move only 3 bucks up or down, and we have 10% increase. We can make 10% out of it. And if the price is worth 300 bucks, and if it moves 3 bucks, we can make 1%, which is a huge difference. Okay, so that's why we work only with the cheap stocks. Okay, float short has to be low because it tells us the amount of short selling transaction of a given stock, which is pretty logical. The more short selling transactions, the bigger decrease of price is going to be. Okay, 50-day SMA is above 200 SMA. I'm going to show you here. Okay, what is this? This is Apple. Okay, this is 50-day SMA. This is 200-day SMA. As we can see, this 50-day SMA is above the 200 SMA, and it tells us that this stock is uptrending. We're going to try to find when it wasn't the case. Oh no, this is Apple, and it was always the case. You see, it is always uptrending, it is always growing, and this 50 EMA is always above 200 EMA. Okay, let's move on. Then why did I pick over 500k average volume? Because it tells us that over 500,000 shares are traded in a single day. I mean, this is average. It can mean that one day it was sold 1,000,000 shares and the other 0, but this is good average. It tells us that the stock is volatile, which is very important, and that means when we buy a stock, it is not a problem to buy it. It is how you're going to sell it. How are you going to sell it if you don't have people who's going to buy it? That's why volatility is so important. You see, now we got 25 stocks to analyze. It usually takes 1 minute each stock for me to analyze, which is not such big time. I mean, it's easier than dig a hole for your job. Okay, right? I'm going to show you how to build the day trade watch list. Okay, put a stock symbol, stop loss, buy limit, take profit, and this is percentages for you to know how much money you're going to make. Okay, well, this is very important because good plan is more than half of a job. If you make a good plan, only thing that is left is execution, which should not be hard when you have a plan. Just do as you plan and it will be cool. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, ISR, start from the bottom. Wow, this is overall downtrending, but it is currently uptrending. Did you see the last time when this broke these? Oh, I just noticed one little thing. Okay, look at this. This is the line where it was broken. Okay, and do you see what that line represents here? It's like a resistance, man. This tells us it will go to 1 again, definitely. Okay, let's go to the smaller time chart. Look at this. We have 3 highs right here. This is 1, 2, 3, and every single time there's the same story. This is resistance. Resistance got broken, finds new resistance, get back to the support. This was resistance here, but it's support now. Then the price bounces off the support and finds a new high. This is typical story, and now we have this. Let's call it support now, or again resistance, and this is the line that has to be broken and the price has to end. I don't care about these sticks. It is important where the price is going to end. It has to end, at least 1 hour chart or 5-minute chart, because it is going to happen fast as it happened here. I usually use a 5-minute, 5 days to decide what am I going to do. Okay, if you're asking me, I would enter here because 9 EMA is broken, resistance is broken, and that's a good reason for me to do it. And it is going to go above this. It is going to find a new high. But I want to make sure, and I'm going to set a take profit in the 0.99. And it is important not to put it to 1 because most of the people will set a take profit at 1.0, and that's why you should make sure to collect your profit and put it at 0.99. Okay, let's get back to the analyzing. CALA. Okay, same thing. It is uptrending. It has the all-time new highs. We're waiting this to become support, and we want the bounce of the support. So I set alert. If the price goes below this point, it will notify me, and then I will wait the price to break this trend line right here and the 9 EMA line, and that's when I'm going to enter. Usually this MACD is pretty clear, RSI is pretty clear, pattern is pretty clear. This is really good thing to trade for me. Okay, you have to set take profit and all that before you do anything else. Okay, take profit. We're gonna buy it at a 6.5, sell it at a 7.77. Why is that so? 6.5. This is when the price bounces off. I'm thinking forward. Okay, when it goes down here, this will be its resistance, and when it is broken, then I'm gonna set a take profit around here because we're sure that a price will touch this trend line as it did before. Okay, and this is a really good example because it's so predictable. Okay, so I set the alert here and I wait. That's all I can do. So guys, you see I made around 20% a day. Okay, let's take a look. If you start with, I don't know, 100 bucks, years to grow, it means it has to be year, it can be day in our case, and this is a percentage in a year or a day we make, and we make approximately 20% a day. Okay, we have 25 working days in a month, or no, we have 20 working days, 40 times 5. Okay, and we end up with a 3,080 and 833 bucks. This is great, man. Look, if you trade for a whole year, man, look at this. This is crazy. What? Doesn't matter, it doesn't work for that much time. But if we work 2 months, we're gonna make $100,000. It's really huge amount. Important is consistency. It doesn't matter if we make 50% a day. If we are going to lose 30% some other day, consistency is important. It is better to make a 5% every day than a huge percentages in a plus and huge percentages in a minus at the same week. Consistency is the key. Remember that. Okay. So this is what I wanted to tell you. we have scanner to find great stocks that are going to explode if the price alert is triggered. We have day trade watch list, which is trading plan at the same time, okay? And everything is set, plan is set, and we have execution to do. Usually this list is much longer. This is just for example, just for a video. And if you guys like this video, I want you to subscribe me and like the video if you want more educational videos like this on how to make money by day trading. Thank you guys and see you again.